Let's get started. Let's understand what is Azure and why we need to opt for it. What we do as a data engineer. Let's get started. This is Sai Fanindra from SQL School. I assure you complete practice classes from scratch right from the basics. And today, let's have a 10-minute intro on what is engineering and a 20-minute session on and the lab configurations required for our course. And good to have your observation notes. I'll be taking care of the complete class notes step by step, but good to have your own observation notes as well. Keywords, okay, just write the keywords. So here it is. The notes would be in detail step by step for our classes. You'll be taking print copies of the documents. You'll be given the notes in advance. For every concept, you'll take print copies in advance, bundle them, and you'll be receiving these print copy notes in advance every week. At the same time, good to write your own observation notes. Not lengthy lines, but only keywords, okay? And you'll WhatsApp me the keywords after the class. Really, it works. And attendees are very interactive. Attendees are having the enthusiasm to learn. Step by step, we'll have additional items on weekends like this. Something like this. For weekends, we'll be having so additional items in this. So we'll do more, we do more, we get more in our classes. We'll start from the scratch. Let's understand slowly what is engineering and why we need it. And please understand my concern. Things are a bit vast. Let's make them useful. In our data engineering, we are going to learn from scratch, complete technical, practical approach step by step into various elements of cloud computing, data warehouse, storage, big data, Synapse, data factory, so on. Before that, let's understand what are all these elements and why we need them. To go there into the data engineering planet, to get into the data engineering planet, we need to first understand what is database. Database is a platform to store any type of data, any amount of data. No restrictions, no exceptions. Right from barcode to QR codes, passwords, anything, everything we can store using database. And next, data warehouse. What is data warehouse? It is a platform to store big data, a platform to store old inactive data. On my screen, the birthplace of data, files, maybe Excel, CSV, flat files, Parquet, JSON, or XML, anything, or apps, websites, IoT, one of our class examples, IoT, Internet of Things. The birthplace of data, various data sources will be captured usually by OLTP, live online transaction processing databases. These databases are designed by developers. And once the data goes live, the job over time, we need to maintain the historical data. That is warehouse, our duty. We need to work on data warehouse. And our end product will be used by analysts, data scientists, AI engineers, and so on. So we are here on my screen, data warehouse, big data and cloud computing components from tomorrow. So today we are going to learn how to configure our lab with few installations and few additional installation plan for implementing the Azure data engineering. It involves two departments, okay? ETL, data warehouse, two things. ETL we have open source, Microsoft, and data warehouse again open source, Microsoft. So total two different items. 2 into 2, 4. 2 ETL, 2 warehouse. One open source, one Microsoft for ETL. Open source, Microsoft cloud components for warehouse. Total 2 into 2, 4 combinations we need to learn for our project. That is our actual course. And we are going to extract data, get the actual data derived from databases you see on the left, OLTP, or non-database sources. Here it is. Non-database sources on my screen. And the result of our effort, a big data warehouse, will be the source of information for analytics, reporting, dashboarding, machine learning, and AI projects. We are going to touch base with AI with about 7 different examples in our classes. So AI is part of our course technically with examples in our data engineering classes. So in data engineering, it's all about bundling the data and derive a warehouse out of it. It involves design of data warehouse concepts, data extraction, data cleansing, transformations, big data security and optimization activities. So in our classes, we need to learn data warehouse, data lake, storage components. We need to learn ETL components like data factory, Databricks, and Azure Stream Analytics jobs. And we have end-to-end implementation components, Spark, Scala, SQL, Python, AI, and IoT, Internet of Things. We'll go for questions after some time, okay? We'll do. So we have 3 different modules in our classes. We have module-wise case studies and a complete project part of our classes. Need your support. You'll be configuring the lab today so that from tomorrow we can slowly start our practice. And in these examples, we come across various data sources. I will take care of all those data sources and the nodes. Open source ETL, Databricks. Microsoft ETL, Data Factory. Open source warehouse, Spark. And Microsoft warehouse, Synapse. And blending them together, we have something called storage, data lake, lakehouse, etc. And our course is not complete without the project, because we need to get into the combination of ETL and Databricks, Synapse and Spark with storage components, usually data lake a preferred option. Here comes something called CI/CD, logic apps for automations, IoT, and so on in our classes. And this is just like a chemistry class, trust me. Really, it's like a chemistry class. We need to combine multiple components together very carefully to get what we need. So in our classes, we are going to learn from scratch core engineering activities, the prerequisites on my screen. Kindly revise database concepts, SQL basics, DML, DDL, etc. Detailed architecture of SQL databases, please revise it. We need detailed architecture because we are going to implement data warehouse architecture here, like partitions, distributions, indexing, DOP. degree of parallelism, polybase, so on. So revise database architecture, MS SQL concepts thoroughly. We are not into programming, not into coding, but architecture level understanding is mandatory. That architecture gives you basic tuning concepts like indexes, basic procedures, functions, triggers, etc. You may ask me like why we need them, procedures, functions, triggers, and so on. For example, I'll put this way. Yesterday evening, we did one class. I'll show you directly that information. Yesterday's one or the previous one, I'll just show you. Yep, just wait for a few moments. I have something called as control tables, part of our course. This one. Here it is. There is something called control tables. I'll show you quickly to get some idea. Data factory involves some ETL and data orchestration components. So in our process of learning and implementing ETL, we come across stored procedures. We need to write these procedures. Remember, we are not into big programs, but we need to know what is what and how to make it work. A small example like this. A more detailed example onto my screen. In our classes, we need to come across something called data loads on my screen. We need to write few scripts for creation of tables in MS SQL. Without SQL Server in Azure, there is no Synapse. Remember, without Microsoft SQL Server in Azure, there is no Synapse, no data engineering. Something like this on my screen, like this kind of activities. And these statements we are going to perform stored procedure concepts later. I'll show you one such activity here. This one. On my screen, something called Apache Spark Pool. So we are going to learn how to embed or include transact SQL, TSQL, stored procedures inside something called Apache Spark Pool and write PySpark code. Things are very easy, trust me, things are very easy and straight, but need your support. We'll go from scratch, basic, step by step. But the prerequisites, please understand my concern, don't take them light. I know you're already aware of MS SQL concepts, please revise them. Please revise concept 1 to 20. Don't take them light, please revise them. Because sometimes, we get some problem. Really, let me be very clear, okay? There will be about 15-20 attendees in the batch, pretty sure about it. And sometimes we see, so I didn't understand the procedure. Common question. And procedure having only one statement. Create procedure name as select top 100 from so and so, offset so and so. They ask me, Sai, what is offset? I ask them like, are you aware of MS SQL? No, Sai, we're aware of Oracle SQL. That's the main problem, friends. See, Oracle is different, MS SQL is different. Getting a certification in Oracle doesn't mean like we're a certification in Microsoft SQL, right? Let's be clear. Please revise MS SQL concepts thoroughly, please. Basics should be enough. Kindly revise MS SQL, then step into data engineering, we are safe. Let's not compromise on the learning process. And what we learn? Simple, basic querying is enough. The concept list on the screen, or we go to our website sqlschool.com, and there you got the detailed step-by-step course curriculum. Either you learn from us or on your own, from your own resources. Use that content as a checklist. Revise them thoroughly. Please understand my concern. At least 1 to 20 concepts on the screen. Then we are ready for our actual data engineering classes. No problem. We have time until next week. We'll start our classes from today. In another few minutes, we'll start our configurations for Azure. And we are going to learn the storage components from tomorrow. This week and next week is all about big data and storage and IoT, etc. So you have breathing time to revise MS SQL until end of next week. Please revise them. My kind request. And I am there to guide you, help you in case you need any clarifications or questions in your revision process. Or you want any sample databases or sample queries, you let me know after the class today. I am there to guide you. I know you're already aware of MS SQL. Revise them thoroughly. We need it. So that the course goes in a smooth way, interactive way. Need your support. And next, these are the main items you need to revise. My kind request: constraints, joins, normal forms, because we need to perform something called data model activities here. Merge, rank functions. Basic tuning is enough. Procedure functions, basic should be enough. Kindly revise them so that you are stepping towards data engineering technically. This week we have intro classes, configurations, and few security items this week, big data security. By next week, we need to step into ETL without SQL. But by later next week, we need to start using SQL for our ETL and data warehouse activities. I mean to say that I'll show you here. This one, friends, on my screen. This week we are learning file sources, okay, unstructured sources. This week and next week, IoT, flat files, etc. And architecture of big data and cloud computing we need to learn this week and next week. That will be a strong fundamental base for us to work on OLTP data sources, joins, merging activities to implement ETL and arrive at data warehouse storage. So this week, next week, flat files, then comes database sources. So need your support. Please make sure you take a print copy of the slides that includes the concept-wise checklist 1 to 20 mandatory. Please help me. With this, let's continue now for questions, clarifications. Before that, last 1 minute, please. Before we go for clarifications and then followed by lab configurations. Here it is. In our classes, we are going to have 2 weeks storage, the fundamental activities, 3 weeks AI and open source ETL data warehouse, integrating together 3 weeks on data factory and Synapse. I understand the content is a bit vast. We'll easily make it happen with your support because things will be completely into practice mode. This is the only PPT slide for the entire course. Plan for 2 months with the project work. I'll take care of all the practice assignments, data sources, explanations, and assignments with concept-wise FAQs and answers. I will take care. Please, hope you'll promise me that you'll practice on time throughout the course. Yes, please. Yes, everyone, please, mic with you all. Please help me. Mic
Yes,
with you all, please. When I, Vijaya, Uday, others, please, I'll wait. Bajaj, Krishnaveni,
Yes.
Hanu, Farooq, yes, please. Others, please, I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes.
Thank you, attendance have been responsive. Others, please. Yes, please. Others, hope you'll practice on time. Respond on time, please. Others, please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Yeah.
Sir, Farooq, you have a question?
Yes, friends, we'll go for questions now one by one. Thank you, attendees have been responsive. And yes, let's go for questions. In the meantime, I'll give a small synopsis of what we learned so far till now on my screen. We learned what is, Farooq, 1 minute, Farooq. Just one minute, please. We learned
Sure,
what
sir,
is
sure.
data engineering. Thank you. We learned what we are going to learn in our classes. Here is a checklist of all components we are going to learn in our classes. Course takeaways, notes, material, certification guidance, I'll take care. But on-time practice, I request you to take care. You need to visit a printer once every week, please. You'll take print copies of the notes like this. For example, each module, you have print copies in this way. You'll be given the print copies of all these items at once. You'll take the prints so that you are ready for our actual classes. This saves a lot of time. But at the same time, good to write your observation notes, only keywords or marking with a pen or a pencil on the notes, because things are technical, right? Let's involve. You'll WhatsApp me your observation notes after the class every day, so that even I have to understand who are all following the class, right? We need it. We have extra items as well for the interactive participants. I need it. And certification, complete guidance part of the course. So certification guide will be like this, just to make it clear on my screen. You'll be having a 400 pages PDF that will surely helping you for winning the best possible score in certification. I'll show you on my screen in next 1 moment time, max 1 or 2 moments time. Yes, friends. So here we go. A 398 pages PDF that gives you the latest updated samples that I bought recently, and I have permission to share to my students. I'll do it. And pretty sure we can win better score with our classes, your practice, and the certification help document. Next, how about the lab? Please install SQL Server 2019 or higher. You'll go to this website link, our sqlschool.com website. Kindly download, install. It's not required for this week, but by early next week, please get it ready. So for this, you need to have Windows 8 or higher operating system. Request you to have a card, either from your name, by your name, or by your friend's name, whoever it is, to have a free trial, Azure free trial. We used to provide free Azure account to our participants before COVID. As you know, like after COVID, lot of things and lot of changes economically. So Microsoft stopped providing that kind of sandbox to its partners, and we are the victim. I am the victim. So we don't have any such portal for Azure right now. Hence, you need to have arrangements to get your own Azure portal for no compromise practice. Each account is valid for 30 days. So after 30 days, you will need to look for another card or another friend who can lend you a card for next 30 days. You may also go to your bank portal and apply for a virtual credit card. It works. Usually it works. So make sure you have your own card to activate your free trial. How do we do that? We are going to learn in next few minutes. Activating our Azure account and proceeding for our course from tomorrow. The lab configuration we will do in next few minutes. Before we proceed, questions please, one by one. I'll wait. Yes, Farooq, tell me, sir. Tell me your question, please. I'll wait. Yes. Question, please. Farooq Nawaz, tell me.
Sir,
Tell me.
actually, I wanted to say that I was experiencing some the voice issues, and just a few minutes ago I joined your session. Earlier, your session I could not get, sir, and that's why I wanted to tell you the before the screens, the few screens. I
I
don't know
got it,
what
sir.
you have told, sir.
Not a problem. I'll send you the video of the class today. Kindly go through it and let me know. I'll send you my WhatsApp number as well. Do let me know once you
Thank
refer
you.
to the video. I'll do. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Sure.
Thank you.
Welcome, sir. Next question, please. Others. Ankit. Yes. Dugineni. Yes. Hanu. Krishnaveni. Bajaj. Mandar Bajaj. Sweta Reddy. Vijaya. Please check your mic, please. Vinay Kumar. Please check your mics, please. I'll wait.
Yeah, hello sir, Ankit this side.
Yes, Ankit. Please tell me, sir.
So when we talk about specifically for Spark and Databricks end, so will it contain only the processing part, or it will be end-to-end Spark like architecture plus optimization and performance and all?
End to end, sir. On my screen,
Oh,
okay? On my screen. Let me give the answer straight onto my screen. We'll start from Spark operations, step into something called data frames, aggregated data loads, parameters, detailed architecture, delta load activities, transformations, security, and data lake, and delta live tables. It includes end-to-end implementation, complete, including optimizations. We'll do. Yes.
thank you, sir.
This is the complete detailed notes. We'll do it, sir, including the optimizations and ETL process, security, something called medallion architecture and all. We'll be taking it in our classes. SC type 1, type 2, we'll do. Okay, yep, we'll do, sir. No issues. Next question, please. Fine, friends, let's continue. What we are learning so far, we are understanding what is data engineering and
Sir,
various
today's
components we are going to learn. Farooq, after some time, sir, please. And now, to implement these components, we need to configure our lab. You'll be receiving a document today. Kindly take a print copy of the document that gives us information on how to configure our lab for our course from tomorrow. Here it is. What is cloud? A virtual environment to host any data or apps applications. Easy, secured, faster access, low maintenance, and easy to operate, easy to manage. In our classes, we are going to concentrate on Azure Cloud. Reason, it is cheaper, easy to use, and very much user friendly. At the same time, very easy to configure. In our classes from tomorrow, we need to slowly step into something called cloud computing. There are three categories of cloud computing: software as a service, SaaS, platform as a service, PaaS, and infrastructure as a service, IaaS. Okay, remember, software as a service, PaaS, platform as a service, and IaaS, infrastructure as a service. Three things. SaaS is like 100% cloud, wherein cloud manages everything. What we do then? We simply use it as it is and pay for what we use. PaaS, platform as a service. In this component, platform as a service, or in this type of cloud computing, 80% cloud will take care of the configurations. Remaining 20%, you and me, we need to take care. And we have examples lined up for IaaS, infrastructure as a service, 50-50. 50% cloud will take care, 50% you and me, we need to take care. We have something called Azure VMs, Spark clusters, those come under IaaS. PaaS, data factory, Synapse, they come under PaaS. Active Directory or Microsoft Entra, monitoring, metrics, they come under SaaS. So these are the items we need to learn slowly from tomorrow. So for this purpose, here is a comparison sheet. Traditional means on-prem, on-premises, non-cloud environment. Everything we need to take care. Whereas if it is SaaS, almost everything cloud will take care, except minor configurations and customizations. PaaS, platform as a service, 80% cloud will take care, remaining 20% we need to take care. Okay, I'm just giving a broader comparison for our easy practice from tomorrow. IaaS, 50-50. For example, the kind of network, kind of storage, we need to decide. Azure will automatically care about SP, service pack installations, hotfix, security, encryption, etc. Azure will take care for the big data storage. From here, let's understand now how to configure our own account, Azure account. Let's see. A simple, straightforward process. On my screen, here it is. I'll provide you these notes anyway. Firstly, after the class today or anytime before tomorrow's class, please do this. Go to portal.azure.com. Go to portal.azure.com. Here it is. Once you go to portal.azure.com, I'll show you in this way. It's already logged in as if like we are a new user. First time we visit this portal.azure.com, you'll do it today after the class, anytime before tomorrow's session. New account, create one. So no account, create one. You get a new account. Create one. Provide your personal email address or can be your professional email address if you are authorized to use it. Next, you get one confirmation link. You click on the confirmation link, then you get access to one portal like this. Okay, so this is our play area from tomorrow. Please remember the website portal.azure.com. Here, remember, Azure is like a shop. Okay, Azure is like a grocery shop. I go to grocery shop, I buy some items. Here we come to Azure shop, we buy something called resources. Remember, resources. What are the resources? Let's ask our notes. Let's understand. What are the resources on my screen? This one. Storage account components, ETL components, warehouse components, other components. These are all resources. Remember, all these are resources. Just like grocery shop has items, our Azure shop has resources. Please remember this terminology to easily love our practice from tomorrow. Please, resources. So we are going to create new resources from tomorrow. Tomorrow we are going to create 2 resources. Early next week, 3 more resources like IoT, stream analytics, etc. And start playing with them. To create these resources, we need something called subscription. Remember, I got a new SIM card for my international travel recently. I need to activate a plan, right, for the SIM card. Same thing here. Azure is an account. We need to activate a plan that is called subscription. Click on subscription. Once we click on subscription, add. See here, add. You have the detailed notes. Take print copy. You have the video. Go through it carefully if required. My preference, avoid referring to the video because the notes will be in detail. Click home. I repeat again, home, subscription, add. Click add. Once you click add, you see something called free trial. Click on free trial. In my case, I used my free trial long back. In your case, as long as you use a new email address, you should be able to see select offer. Something like this. Select offer. It will ask you for card details. Debit card, credit card, anything is fine. Provide card details. Once you provide the card details here, you get a free subscription automatically created. I repeat again. Observe carefully. Home and subscription like this. Click on subscription, add. Okay, add. And in case if your free account already used up, you plan to use paid account, this would be the nominal charge per month for practicing each example 4 times, 3 to 4 times. You may say buy 2 to practice each examples once or twice, about 2,000 to 3,000 INR. This is my experience. Okay, cost may vary in your case, it depends. I'll be having this type of bill per month. In case if you already use your free account and you have a question like how much it costs if you are going for paid account, then here it is. This is my bill. Okay, add subscription, free account. Click on subscription, free account, select offer. Ask you for mobile number, card details, OTP to your mobile number, and you are done. So the same information on my screen here. Azure account first, subscription next. In Azure, subscriptions are a unit of management and billing. For example, you may see dev subscription, test subscription, and production subscription. For our classes, from your end, you'll use free account, free subscription. From my end, I'll be using multiple subscriptions like this. Main purpose of subscription, security, billing, and easy organization of resources. Please tell me, what are the examples of resources now? Please, mic with you all. Please, what are the examples of resources? Please, need your support. Please help me. I'll wait. Any example resource, please? I'll wait. I said
Virtual
grocery shop, right? Resources. Come on, please.
Text
What are
files,
the? Yes, please.
text files, CSV files.
Madam, text files and CSV files are the data sources. Okay, those are not resources actually. No. Anything else, please?
virtual machines.
Components
Exactly, brother. You are right. Virtual machines, and you remember now? Storage account,
storage,
data lake, data bricks, data factory, Synapse Analytics. Getting it now, everyone. All these components are resources. Our course, our actual course. Are we getting it, please? Please, I'll wait. Please, are we getting it now? I'll wait. Please, are we getting it now? I'll wait, please. I'll wait.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Some attendees, no response. I'm really sorry. Please, we are learning, right? We are learning it. We are doing it live. Need your support. I documented the attendees who are responsive for my questions. I need them into my class. I'll do the needful. Friends, please understand my concern. We are into interactive mode. As long as I am cautious, as long as you filter your trainer, I filter my participants, right? Things go happy, interactive. Need your support. There are additional items for interactive attendees. There are additional items for interactive attendees. Please understand my concern. I'll be sending you the email now with number 1, what is data engineering and what we are going to learn in our classes, day-wise roster, and I'll be sending the PPT slides, the one and only one PPT slide for the entire course today, and the introduction document with few components that we are going to learn in our classes. Total 5 items. I'll be sending a single mail, and another mail I'll be sending you that includes sample database and queries for MS SQL practice. I'll be doing it now. Thank you, attendees have been responsive. Really appreciate. Please make sure we are practicing on time. We are interactive in the class. I need it. Please help me. Yes, and you promised me you'll practice minimum 1 hour. Please. I need to do my duty. You need to do your duty. Please, let's make it straight and simple. Need your support. Email sent, please check it, friends. I'll wait. Yeah, first mail sent, please check it, friends. I'll wait, please. We are all aware of MS SQL, right? Everyone, please confirm, friends. Please confirm. I'll wait.
Yes, sir.
Please, everyone. Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
We're all aware of MS SQL, please. Please confirm, please. I'll wait. Yes, others, which version of MS SQL are aware of others, please let me know. Better, I'll change my question now. Better, please. Others, which version of MS SQL are aware
Yes,
of
sir.
others, please let me know. Others, please. I'll
Yes,
wait.
sir. Sir, Farooq here.
Farooq, tell me, sir.
I am well aware I have a practice on the queries, but I would like to request you, sir, if you send documents
Sure,
having the procedure, the functions, and the triggers, like what are the
I can send some
required
sample
contents
queries, brother.
that are
Got it. I can send some sample
documents, sir.
queries.
Sir.
Got it. Got your requirement. I can send sample queries and sample database needed for practice. I can do it today. I'll do. Next. Others. You know, others like which version of MS SQL are aware of others? Let me know, please. I'll wait. Others cannot hear you, brother. Please check your mic. Ankit, which version of MS SQL are aware of Ankit? Please let me know, please. I'll wait, please. Ankit.
It's 2017, sir.
2017, right?
Yeah.
Enough, no problem. I'll send you 2022 software today. Please try to install by weekend, okay? Ankit, please.
Sure.
Thank you. And Farooq Nawaz, which version of MS SQL are aware of? Let me know, please. Or installed in your computer. Farooq Nawaz, please let me know. Cannot hear you, please check your mic. Hanmanth, which version you are aware of? Let me know, please, Hanmanth, please.
Yeah, I'm aware of like 2019.
Fine. And Krishnaveni, yes, madam. Which version, madam? Please let me know. Krishnaveni. Krishnaveni, yes, madam. please.
Yeah, 2017.
Fine, madam. I'll send you 2022 version today, madam. Please download, install. Let me know if in case of any errors. Okay, let me know, please. Thank you. And Sweta Reddy. Yes, madam. Which version you are aware of? Let me know, please. Sweta Reddy.
2019 I'm aware, sir, but I already downloaded 2022 today, so I'm
Then
installing
fine.
it.
Perfect. Then Vijaya. Yes, madam. Which version you are aware of, please? Vijaya AMB.
2019.
Surely, surely. Then fine. Yep. And Wasim, which version you have right now, Wasim? Let me know, please.
Hi, sir. What questions you mean to say?
Yes, sir. Like which version you are aware of, Wasim, so that I can provide you appropriate database file with the compatibility and practice queries for your revision purpose. I can send it.
For the Windows, or which version, sir? I'm sorry to ask.
SQL Server, brother. SQL Server.
Oh, SQL Server, huh?
Yes. No problem. Take your time.
So it is latest version, sir. So the latest version.
2022 is the latest, sir. 2022. I think so. Right?
2022, yeah. 2022 I have. Yeah.
Perfect. Then fine. No
Yeah.
issues. Yeah. Fine, sir. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. And friends, we are into this course now. Okay. To make it clear, we are into this course Azure Engineering from tomorrow. Okay. Module 1, 2, 3, and project. This is a prerequisite. You want it separately, you may enroll for it. And Power BI, you want to get it in your resume, enroll for it separately if required. We are into core engineering 7 weeks program from tomorrow. MS SQL module, Power BI module are optional add-ons as per your registered course. We are into core engineering to make it here. One more mail sent just now, one more email sent just now. Kindly check it, friends. I'll wait. It includes source database and the queries. Please check. I'll wait. Any more questions, please? I'll wait. Friends, you tell me one thing. If I am cautious and I'll make sure I filter the participants, you filter your trainer, things go smooth. What do you say? Yes, please. What do you say? Yep. What do you say? Yes? Yes or no? Should be interactive, right?
Yes, sir.
Please.
Yes, I.
Please help me. Okay, please help
I did
me.
not receive the email, Sandeep.
Already sent, sister. Might be on the way. I'll wait. I'll wait. Already sent, actually. Might be on the way. I'll wait.
Even I do.
Already sent. I'll wait until you receive it. I'll wait until you receive it. Need your support, please. Because, you know, attendees are more interactive. We have more and more in our classes. Pretty sure, please understand my concern.
I have a question actually. So when we
Yes, madam.
install SQL Server 2022, should we include the Azure extension also, or
Oh, no.
can we
Azure
skip that?
extension, leave it to me, madam. I'll guide you how to do that separately, because Azure extension requires tenant ID, subscription ID, and all those stuff. So ignore
Yes.
it. Okay, just uncheck that box during
Okay.
installation. No problem.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Yes.
Thanks.
Yes, madam. Next question, please. Hope you received the mail by now. Please, I'll wait.
Yes, sir. Received 2 mails.
Yes, madam. Total 2 mails. Others, please check it, friends. Others, please. I'll wait. Ankit, Farooq, Hanumant, please check your mics, please. Check your emails. I'll wait.
I got one email.
Total, there should be 2 mails actually. Please check it, friends. Others, please. We'll stop for today. Meeting from tomorrow, 9 p.m.
Yeah,
sharp. Any
yeah,
more
I
questions?
received 2 emails.